all I've been eating for like the last week is shit. My face has doubled in size.
Stop eating! That's why you're fat!
I was drinking last night and I'm very dehydrated, so I kind of feel like low-key skinny vibes from dehydration. I always wanted to make a like how to make yourself look naturally pretty video in like 5 or 10 minutes. I can't do like hi, welcome back intros, so that's my intro. Take it or leave it home. Naked. I'm going to take liquid illuminator and I'm going to do the moisturizer and then a pump of foundation. The 3 of these together, it just creates like a kind of light coverage, day vibes, like yourself but better. My moisturizer is broken, so I have to do this. And then foundation. Great, this is not my color. Sure. Let me explain why I'm hungover.
Let me tell you why.
I was watching The Real Housewives. Oh, by the way, I would use a brush to keep more coverage because like this is like a light coverage. This is so not my color. I'm so embarrassed. Leave me alone. You can still see everything, but like it just gives you a bit of color. It just livens you up, Mary. So I was watching Real Housewives of Orange County. All they do is drink. I was like, I want to have a drink. I'm 20, by the way. I look 5, but I'm 20. So I wanted to have like glass of wine vibes, but all I had was vodka. So I was like, I'll just have like a glass of vodka. I know that's kind of insane, but here we are. Next thing I knew, I was having another drink.
This is exactly what I was afraid of.
And another drink. And the bottle was nearly gone.
Lock that bitch up.
And at this stage, I was on one. I just had one more drink on my own, watching Real Housewives.
You are an alcoholic. You are an alcoholic.
5 minutes later, keeled over.
Lock it up.
Woke up at like 5:30, and then I just crawled to bed. That's how my life's going. Foundation on my forehead doesn't look nice. It doesn't really matter because my hair's gonna cover it anyway. Okay? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
But then I'm just gonna take my Skag Beauty Blender. This is new. It's literally ripped already. I don't know, like you can't tell. Ew. And my lips are really crusty recently. I don't know why. Can you see?
Are you on drugs?
I really need to do whitening strip. I'm gonna do a bit of concealer. Go like where you proper need the concealer. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit around my nose. I feel like this. Okay, I'm gonna use the brush. There was like a hydrating version of that concealer and then there was like a matte, and I feel like I should have got the hydrating because the matte is very matte. Cream contour a small bit. I'm just gonna like put a dot of it on the eye. That just gives you a nice bit of colour. I got a tattoo actually. It says fuck it. The man is so rude.
Don't be fucking rude.
He literally showed me like 2 fonts and was like, which one do you like? And then I showed him a font on my phone and he was like,
that's the exact one that I showed you.
and I was like, but it's not. And he's like,
Got it.
I was like, just do whatever. I don't really care. He was like,
What do you mean you don't care?
I'm gonna set. Jeez, I'm really out here marketing Fenty today, but I'm gonna use the invisimatte powder under my eye, whatever's left on the brush, a bit over my eye. That's all I'm gonna set. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of bronzer. I feel bad using it because like it's not cruelty free vibes. Give me some, okay? This brush is like very flimsy, even though it looks like I put on loads, but whatever's left on the brush, just that over your eyes. You can do this on an eyeshadow brush if you want, but I'm gonna just lash down like fuck it. Like I'm just gonna go along the double chin. I just wanna be skinny. Still large. Okay, I'm gonna take Milani Luminoso. I kind of like putting my blush like right over the bronzer. I don't like being like smiling, putting on blush because then my blush will literally be here. So I like just put it on like passport pic, put on your blush like that. That's how I do it anyway. I feel very ill. I actually do feel ill now. Let me move. Now I'm just gonna throw on a bit of highlighter, soft and gentle. I meant to put on a liquid one, but I forgot. On the brow bone as well. You want to take it like a step further, which I always do. Before you put on your mascara, you can just take like a brown eyeshadow and just run that across your lash line and then just smudge it out. You can take a bit of bronzer under the eye. Now for my lashes, I always use waterproof mascara first because my lashes are really straight and they won't hold a curl unless I use waterproof mascara. I hate wearing like mascara with like minimal makeup because like I'm a boy, I just look stupid when I do it, but whatever. Low-key, I actually have nice lashes. I take like a normal mascara. This is like, I think this is a curling one. I don't know. Then I just push them up. Okay, so I'm gonna do a step that is probably gonna lose a lot of people and everyone's gonna be like, oh, hardly. But I'm gonna put on a lash. Like they're minuscule. Like this is the perfect opportunity for me to use them. It's Bperfect Achieve lashes. Like they're natural vibes. These lashes. J'adore. So nice for like day-to-day vibes.
These are so nice.
Anastasia, brunette brow gel. Like everyone's particular with their brows, so I'm not going to tell you how to do your brows. Like, figure it out. And then I take brow blade, Urban Decay, a few hair strokes. I'm going to use Jaclyn, the Flash palette. Inner corner, make us look awake. Bit of Fenty gloss balm, I suppose. Like, you'll put on a bit of Vaseline, bit of Carmex, whatever you want, hon. Whatever you want. I think this is it. I was going to like do like how to bring this into nighttime, will I do it? May as well. Add a bit of coverage with Anastasia, just the banana under the eyes. If you want to put on like foundation powder, you can if you want. I'm gonna actually contour a bit. Wow. Go with a bit of a matte blush, and then I'm gonna glow everything up with a highlight. The Jaclyn Hill palette again. I'm gonna keep on my lashes and then just show you how to like add on eyes that are quick and easy. So I'm gonna take the bronzer that we used on the face earlier into the crease, just absolutely lash it on. I just like to take the bronzer brush right over the eyes and out onto the temples. I'm gonna take a brown pencil and put that in the waterline. You could put a shimmer on your lid if you want, but I'm not going to. Now I'm going to take a dark brown, damp that over the lashes, the liner kind of a vibe. Lighter brown, and just blend out that dark brown pencil. Doesn't really have to be perfect, like it's nighttime, no one's going to look at you. Bit of lower lash mascara now. I really want to put a shimmer on the lid, I feel like. Do you know what? I'm going to put a shimmer, actually no I'm not. I'm going to take Morphe color pencil in Spiffy. I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics. Candy hair. This is my favorite gloss that like doesn't have shimmer. It's Anastasia Toffee. If you're going out, you're gonna want a bit of. I'm just breaking my job because I don't have one. If you want to see more makeup stuff, I don't really know. I feel like tutorials are so dead. My channel isn't gonna be all like makeup stuff, you know. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep. Okay, bye. I'm rank.